coming along. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making a crazy beat for Trippie Redd's new album, Trip at Night. If you guys haven't heard this album yet, you're missing out. This one is packed full of awesome virtual beats. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at some different instruments and presets that you can use to make awesome virtual melodies yourself. We're also going to slap some drums on there, top that bad boy off, and just make an insane beat for Trippie Redd himself. So without any further introduction, let's get right into this. Alright guys, and really quick before we get started, go ahead and smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because we're uploading content like this every single week that you guys aren't going to want to miss out on. Alright, so let's jump into this and start finding some different sounds to use for this melody. Alright guys, so to make these melodies, you want them to be virtual sounding, so we're going to try to find some stuff that sounds like Nintendo sounds, old arcade sounds, things like that. So my go-to plugin for all of that stuff is Electra X. So this first one's more of like a Vox, kind of a pluck sound. It sounds like this. And I don't know if I'm going to be using all these, but I went ahead and picked out a bunch of them. So that's that one. I also went ahead and picked out more of a pluck sort of sound. And this one's actually from a Trippie Redd sound pack as well. I picked out a synth which I might use to layer with our chords, because we're gonna start off with chords, so I might layer this synth with them. So that's why I wanted to grab this one as well. And then the chord sound, which I'm not sure if we're gonna use now, but let's see, this is what it sounds like anyways. Change these ones up too. Yeah, I like that. Alright, so what I did here is I just took these bottom notes here for the chords and I put it down another octave. Gives it a little more bass, a little more oomph to it. Alright, now let's take all these notes. We can either go up or down with them. I'm going to play around with it a little bit to see if it would sound better in a different scale with a different range. So I think maybe if we go up a couple, let's see how that sounds. So I ended up going up 5 notes. It sounds like this now. Alright, let's add some layers to this now. Okay, so we just copied over the MIDI from our synth to our pluck here, and I got rid of the bass notes, and it's going to make that sound a lot thicker and better. Okay, so we're just going to find a quick counter melody to go with this, and then we can wrap it up. I'm also going to group these two together since they're playing the same notes pretty much. I'm going to go ahead and group these together so that I can control the volume together. Alright, let's try out this Planet X sound. Let's see if that'll sound good. Otherwise, we might just get rid of this altogether, so. Alright, so now we can move on to those banging drums. Damn, this one's coming out fire. Now let's get this 808 up in here. Damn, this is coming along. Let's go ahead and turn this into a 8-bar loop though. We're just gonna like change it up a little bit, maybe add another note in here. Go ahead and throw a kick in here. I'm not sure if we're going to use it in the end product, but we'll find out when we go ahead and start mixing it. But let's just throw it in for now. We're pretty much just going to copy over the 808 and play with the notes a little bit here. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and mix this down and play it on the outro, but I want to thank you for watching this one all the way to the end, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because we're dropping bangers like this every single week. Also, slap a like on this one for me so we can get this video moving to a larger crowd so we can start growing this channel up. Anyways guys, if you're also not following me on Instagram, go ahead and check me out over there. We're posting content over there and keeping you guys informed of what's going on in the community. So go ahead and leave a follow over there. And we got an awesome Discord if you want to go in there. People are sharing free samples, free drum packs. People are collaborating. Yeah, so go ahead and join that Discord if you want to join the community and go have some fun in there as well. And besides that, guys, I'll be catching you all again in the next one. And here's the finished beat.